876 Streets presents Carnival of Speed Highlights. Jamaica's best circuit racers and bikers on the same track.
First time driving a front wheel drive car, just going out to score some points because I broke my gearbox.
Sideway action. High speed racing. Thrills and spills. Subscribe now.
Pick up 876 Streets, thank you, 876 Streets.